been issued by the civil authorities. Please stand by for further instructions. A shelter in place has been issued by the civil authorities. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. It has gotten worse. There are now 700 confirmed mutated rubber ducks all over the Swan Valley County. Most of the recontainment operations have failed. We advise everyone who reside in the Swan Valley County to lock their doors and windows. Do not exit your shelters. It is not safe. These mutated ducks are extremely violent. As of now, there are over 600 confirmed deaths from these entities. We are trying our best to not let them out of the county in order to prevent them spreading across the entire state. We also have some additional information about them. These mutated rubber ducks are immortal. You can terminate them using any sharp object or firearm. However, they are extremely strong and can run up to 12 miles per hour, which makes them slightly faster than an average human. They also make a strange, muffled quacking noise. Some witnesses even claim to have heard a human voice speaking, though we can't really officially confirm that yet. Again, we advise everyone to not go outside under any circumstances. Stay tuned. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.